ever since this lockdown has begun, I've actually been making these audio messages and, in some cases, a video message, just to thank these friends who I feel have, there are certain people you meet in life who are a cut above the rest, and like basically I write ebooks, so as a part of one of this ebook that I was writing on, I was like, I interviewed a whole bunch of people who I felt they are achievers, so it's nice to know their secrets, what is it that can finally, the, help you stand apart from the crowd. So as part of the whole research, I interviewed a whole range of people, yeah, beginning with a human rights lawyer to a pilot to a engineering topper to an IITian to to a yoga teacher, and this young lady who has her own company she set up in Arizona. So it's a whole amazing set of people. But among them, there was this one friend I spoke to. Her name's Ira Khanna, and so I was writing this ebook on, it's what is the secret to happiness, what is it that makes, that can really, because if you analyze the subject happiness, it's not as simple as it may seem, so it was so strange when I spoke to Ira. She said that for her, her happiest moment is when, after she's been with the Lufthansa Airways for over, I think, 15 years now. So basically she's as a flight crew, she's flown the Delhi to Frankfurt route 4 times a week, every week for the past 15 years, so she says her happiest moment is at the end of a 12-hour long flight, when the passengers are leaving the aircraft, when some of them stop to say thank you, it was a nice flight. She says that is what, like, for her, happiness is that, when it's a job well done. I was zapped, yeah, when I heard the answer. Normally one would think you would associate happiness with, you're wearing something nice or you're eating something nice or thing, but that's when it occurred to me that happiness is actually, if you have a good work ethic, it is the royal road to happiness. It's literally, it's as simple as that. So man, so I just need to thank Ira Khanna for teaching me that anything you do, if you pour your soul into it, that is sure to bring you happiness. I mean, it can be including making these seemingly tacky YouTube videos. But honestly, I started my channel simply since my mom was one of the wisest people I knew. So it's been 6 years since I lost her. So I feel if only some of the wisdom she had, we could have bottled it and, kept it all together in one place, it would be life changing. So for me, this, my YouTube channel is that, I hope to, these different things you learn from people, यार बहुत बड़ी बात है. And I feel that these videos need to be made because ज़िंदगी छोटी है यार. I mean, you think we'll stay forever, but before you know it, it's all gone, it's all over. So that's why, so thanks Ira. It's really, people, the royal road to success and happiness is a good work ethic, and this is something only someone who is, and right now with the lockdown happening, I've had this another friend send me pictures of just how difficult it is for the airline staff, to, they are in complete they have to be all ready for, they are in the front line literally, because so amazing. So people, just good work ethic, and that is the route to happiness. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.